This Python programming practice solutions video, we will understand the answer for the question number 1 of assignment type C of chapter 1 named Python Revision Tour for CBSE Class 12 Computer Science book by Sumita Arora. Let's have a look at the question first. Write a program to print one of the words negative, 0 or positive according to whether variable x is less than 0, 0 or greater than 0 respectively. So for this, we can have two options. We can either take the variable directly, assign some value to the variable x, or we can take an input. In this case, we are taking an input. So what we'll do is, let's say int input, enter a number. Here we have taken the int function so that the number entered can be converted to an integer type. Then we put a condition: if x less than 0, enter, then print negative, because if it's less than 0, then negative is to be printed. Another condition is if it is equal to 0, so elif x equal to 0 colon enter, then we need to print 0, print 0, and last, if it is greater than 0, we need to print positive, elif x greater than 0 colon enter, print positive. Here we have taken elif. In this particular program, we could have done the same with an else as well. Now let's run this program and see the output. So enter a number, let's say -5. It gives negative. Let's run it again. 0 gives 0. Another run. This time let's say 79 and positive. So it's working, as all the three conditions are working as desired. So this is the solution of the program. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching it. If the solution is not clear to you, you can watch this video again. After that, if you still have some confusion or query, leave a comment below with your question. If you are looking for the answer of a particular Python practice problem, please feel free to mention the same in the comments below, and if possible, we would try to post a video with a solution for the same. If you want us to keep posting more such videos, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it to others, and do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you.